Hi kids! If your teacher asks you to find the estimated area of the yellow shaded figure, what will it be? Assuming that the square is 1 by 1 square unit. In this lesson, we are going to find the estimated area of some shapes. Which of the small squares are fully filled? Which of them are more than half filled? Half filled or less than half filled? Bibilangin natin ang lahat ng bawat category. Fully filled, more than half filled, and less than half filled. Assuming that I have one square unit, and this one is fully filled. Ito naman ang half filled, more than half filled, and less than half filled. For our first example, we have a square, 5 unit by 5 units. Therefore, there are 25 fully filled square units. And the rest of the categories are zeros. Let's find the estimated area of this triangle based on the 4 categories. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.